Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's say you want to buy Bitcoin using your credit card. How do you go about it? Click on the buy option here and you're shown the option to select tokens. So underneath the popular tokens, just click on Bitcoin. And now enter an amount of Bitcoin you'd like to buy. So let's say for $25 worth of Bitcoin, we're getting this amount of Bitcoin. So it shows underneath debit or credit card via Robinhood. So now click on Robinhood and you're shown provider and payment method. So payment methods are the ways through which you can pay for a particular token, whether it's a credit card, a bank transfer, or the Robinhood buying power. You could select any of these options and pay with them. Now, a provider is simply a third-party exchange that allows you to use their services to buy cryptocurrency. All they require from you is some personal info like your name, home address, and your government-issued ID number. So underneath provider, we have Robinhood and some other providers like Topper, Stripe, Meso, Blockchain, Transact, Paybase, and on limits. So you could just go ahead and select any of these providers and then simply select the payment method like the credit card and you're done. So all you need to do now is click on continue. A third party website is going to open up requiring information from you, which you're going to enter. Like I said before, your credit card details, your home address, and your government issued ID. All will be required on the website. Global.transact.com has opened up. So just simply put in all the websites, select the payment method, and then click on buy now. Okay, guys. So once you've paid via your credit card or your debit card, that's everything for Bitcoin. So comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.